Hi everyone, we are excited to announce a new major milestone on our product roadmap. RightBack is now available for Power BI. Over the past 4 years, we have been on a journey of continuous innovation, bringing actionable insights to organizations. At the same time, Microsoft is empowering millions of users through Power BI, adding value from data. So it seemed like a natural step to add RightBack to this platform and allow an even wider set of companies to bring value and create actionable insights in an easy way. RightBack for Power BI is a cloud-hosted custom visual that enables any user to submit data directly from their dashboards to their database. Unlike other tools or solutions such as Power Apps, it's a no-code solution, meaning that any user that is capable of editing a dashboard can also edit RightBack and take advantage of it. It's hosted on Azure, meaning it's fully secure, and you get to store the data on your database. Our RightBack portfolio is now more robust. We have RightBack Server for Tableau, RightBack Cloud for Tableau, as well as RightBack from Power BI. We have more than 80 clients worldwide leveraging these solutions, and they are from different industries: healthcare, financial services, and even the industry. And among these, we have very interesting clients, such as Amazon, Vanguard, Optum, or even Bayer. They all have been using RightBack for a long time, and they trust this solution. This launch is a natural step on our product strategy. We have been able to share most of the code among the two platforms, Power BI and Tableau. So our end goal with expanding the portfolio is allowing clients to choose the RightBack product that will best meet their requirements. We are strongly committed with enhancing this platform and bringing new features across all platforms. Count on the RightBack team to support you on this journey. See you soon.